Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the Windows boot logo and welcome text in 2025 step by step. If you want to customize your Windows startup screen and give your PC a unique look, this tutorial will guide you safely through the process with all the important precautions. So make sure to watch till the end, and if you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss more Windows tips and customization tutorials. Now let's get started. For changing your boot logo, make sure your system is in UEFI mode. To check this, press Windows plus R, type MS-Info32 and press enter. Here, next to BIOS mode, you should see UEFI. If it says legacy or anything else, first convert your BIOS mode to UEFI before continuing. Now open the search bar, type Paint and open the Paint app. If Paint is not installed, you can install it from the Microsoft Store. Click on the Resize Canvas option. Here you need to enter your PC's recommended resolution. To check your resolution, right-click on the desktop, click Display Settings and note the recommended resolution size. Now go back to the Paint app. Select Pixels, click the unlink icon and enter your resolution. Click the Fill tool and fill the entire canvas with black color. Now click File and import the canvas. I'm assuming you already have a gaming logo that you want to show on the boot screen. Import your logo, then click the Resize option. Enter 400 by 400 and press Enter. You can resize it according to your screen resolution if needed. Place the logo at the center of the canvas. Once you are satisfied with the placement, click File and then Save. You must save this file in BMP format. You will see multiple BMP options, so select 24-bit bitmap, then click Save. To apply this boot screen, we need to download a tool. I'll provide the tool link in the description. Click the link to open the GitHub page. Scroll down and click on the version section. Download the latest version. After the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file is saved. Right-click and extract the files. Inside the folder, you will see the default hackbgrt logo file. We need to replace this file with our own logo. Copy your logo file and paste it into the hackbgrt folder. Rename it to splash.bmp and delete the original file. Now run the setup.xf file. Press I to install the hackbgrt tool. Once the installation is complete, press any key to close the setup. Now restart your PC. After restarting, you will see your custom logo on the boot screen. If you get a blue screen error, you need to disable Secure Boot in the BIOS. Restart your PC and press F2 to enter BIOS settings. From there, find Secure Boot, disable it, then click Apply and exit. If you want to remove the boot logo, it's very easy. Just open the hack bgrt folder again, run the setup file and press R to completely remove the tool from your system. Now, if you want to change the Windows welcome text, press Windows plus R again and type miss info 32. If the locale is set to United States, you are good to go. Open this PC, go to the C drive, open the Windows folder, then open System32. Inside this folder, find and open the NUS folder. Scroll down and locate the file winlogon.exe. Copy this file and paste it on the desktop so we can edit it easily. We cannot edit this file normally, so we need a tool called Resource Hacker. The link for this tool is also in the description. Download the exe installer and install it. Once installed, open the tool and drag the winlogon file into it. On the left sidebar, expand the string table. Here you will see all the messages Windows displays in different places. You can edit the welcome text to anything you want. For example, I'll change it to Hi Software Hub and type it again in the required field. You can also edit other messages. In the sidebar, click the 64 file to see more messages. Click Compile to save these changes. Here you can edit text like shutting down or restarting. For example, I'll change shutting down to goodbye. After making your changes, click Save. Now on the desktop you will see two files, one original and one edited. Delete the original file and keep the edited one. Now open Windows Settings. Go to Windows Update, scroll down and click Recovery. Click Restart Now next to Advanced Startup. When your PC restarts, select Troubleshoot. Then Advanced Options and then Command Prompt. In Command Prompt, type Notepad and press Enter. In Notepad, click File, then Open. Navigate to your desktop. Change files of type to all files and copy the edited winlogon file. Now open the C drive, go to System32, then open the NUS folder again. Scroll down, find the original WinLigan file. Right click and delete it. Refresh the folder. Then paste the edited file. Refresh again to confirm it's placed correctly. Close Notepad, exit command prompt and click continue. Now you will see it says Hi Software Hub instead of Welcome. Let me also show you the shutdown screen where you can see it says Goodbye. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more Windows customization tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.